Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, from a very wet Blackpool. I've got to go into town, so I thought I'd come up here and have a look, see what's going on with the demolition. Haven't been up here for a couple of weeks or so. I don't think there'll be a lot doing in this rain, so anyway, we'll have a look around, see what you see, and see you in a bit. As you see folks, we're at Bonny Street, and they've got it all shut, this road, like I said last time on the video, as I show you, shut for some 19 weeks now. So yeah, they've chomped all this corner off. Look at this, wow. I've been on holiday, come down here a couple of weeks ago, haven't been down since, so I'll see what, they've actually getting on quite well. You can see there they made a start on that, or is that just from the other side there? Can't see any, can't hear any construction diggers or excavators going at the moment. So yeah, guys just cleaning up. Right, they've got all that section down there. As you see, that road closed off for 19 weeks. They've actually done wonders here since I was down here last. You see, was the car park there. I'm actually zoomed in on this to try and get rid of that fencing. It's a YouTuber's nightmare, this is. Sorry about that. There we go. Just look how far they come round here. Wow. That is pretty amazing. And green posts, different coloured posts. Some are green, some are yellow. I heard that the green ones were where the police used to park, that part of the car park. Wow, look at all that twisted metal, folks. Oh wow. So I've been told they're starting on this part here. I don't know quite when today. Unfortunately I can't hang around too long today. Other stuff to do. All that sort of jazz, you know. Nice. Clearing up metal at the moment. All that rebar, that metal that they put in the concrete to re-strengthen concrete. Absolutely tons of it. Someone's drawn a mirror on there, look. It's funny. One there, folks, is the one of the new diggers I bought in a couple of weeks ago. Apologise about the blue netting, folks. He's just cleaning up at the moment. What a shame. Well, I hope they get some action this morning at the old demolition site. A little site box, as I mentioned earlier. I definitely won't be sitting in that all night. They've got a fire point there now, look folks, as well. All fire extinguishers, etc. Just talking to one of the demolition crew there earlier on when I arrived. So now they're concentrating on that piece there. It's down there by the digger, behind it. And also that piece along there by the to my left there. They must get used to YouTubers coming down here sticking their cameras in, oh, not in their face, but watching them work and recording them and everything. Anyway, let's go up the top on the bridge to see what we can find up there. Yeah, a good vantage point from there. Yeah, on my way up to the bridge now, folks. You see Central car park up ahead of me there. It probably won't be hanging around too long today, it's far too wet. Oh, where's all the YouTubers this morning? Nobody up here today. Just me, myself and I. Anyway, you can see from this vantage point. Doing at the moment. Yeah. He's having a clean up at the moment, maybe he's going to do something later on. I don't know. I was hoping to get some demolition action before we left, folks. Down here, see if anything's changed. Still raining at the moment, but it's eased off a little bit, thank goodness. It's still annoying. Us YouTubers go in all weathers. When they tackle the police station, it's will be absolutely packed with onlookers and YouTubers here, myself included. Well, it's not very warm a day either, folks. Turquoise digger. Can you see that? The little one there, that's cute. Everybody know what that's called? Let me know in the comments. That little excavator there then. That's pretty cool. Turn around from this angle. Right underneath there now, look. See right under there now, folks. There's an entrance into the police station, I wonder. Maybe a good entrance or something, I'm not sure. That's the closest I can get to See what's underneath there, folks. The other side of the police station. Car park there, car park closed off now. Well, no car parking prices while we're here. 2 hours, £4.5, 3 hours, £6. Well, that's very expensive. Well, yeah, you can't actually get across this gate now. Car park entrance. Open 7 AM to midnight. Drive up to the barriers and the shutters will open. Yeah. All blocked off there, look. Unfortunately, folks, not a lot happened here today. Might be next week, we'll get up here again. I'm busy next 2 days. I suppose the rain keeps the dust down. I wouldn't stop the work and affect the rain factor in demolition is helpful. I can't wait till they bring in the big guns to demolish that police station. What's everyone's waiting for, isn't it? I imagine they're going to knock all that other bit down in front of me there. All a piece. Excavators. I think the police station is probably about 30 metres. So yeah, that will be interesting when that happens, folks. You can see a lot from up here now since they've started all the demolition being done. Clearly see the big wheel. Lollipop sticking over the top there, look. I call them the spoons. Right, folks, leave the demolition for now. There's not a lot happening there. You could come round to the back where the King Edward pub and the King Edward apartments were. Yeah, just round the back here with the King Edward pub and the King Edward apartments, where the Duke shop used to stand. These are closed off, so I can't walk through here. I'll come around the other side onto Central Drive. That's the back of the King Edward. Go around the other side to see what's going on. It would help if I record, wouldn't it? Press record. Yeah, the old King Edward apartments there, folks. Still boarded up there with the black borders along there. I always get nervous about filming on Central Drive. It's got a bit of a reputation. Jack Cunliffe Electrical Contractors. There's a barber shop in the corner there. For the old picture house. It'd be nice if they renovated that. Yeah. So what's happened to these, I do not know. I did hear they're a Grade 2 listed building, so I really don't know. You see across the road, you got the where the joke shop used to stand. We're going to have a quick closer look at that in a minute and get across the road. I want to see this. Start the tarmac it, look. Wow. The old steamroller there, folks. Modern day version. Our good friend the blue netting's up again on this side as well. But you see it's in the process of being tarmac here, look. What do you reckon, folks? Another car park? That's better. Get away from that blue netting. What's this guy doing here? Oh, a small excavator here, look, folks. Imagine they're going to do all this at some point. Just give this bucket a clean, I think. Bucket and clean look of it. Yeah, got it all marked there, look, chalk marks where you're gonna cover. Amazing really, wouldn't it? You never thought there'd be a joke shop stood here for like 50 years. Amazing. Oh, sun's trying to come out. That'd be nice. The rain's eased off, almost stopped now. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. It's about 11:30 on this Wednesday morning. So yeah, not a lot happening at the demolition site, unfortunately, folks. I can bring you. The way it is sometimes, you have to be in the right place at the right time sometimes. And today I'm just not. Anyway, I've been told they're going to start punching that back corner bit I showed you earlier. Whether they're going to do any more today or not, I don't know, but unfortunately I can't hang around any longer today. So I'm going to leave it there. Anyway, please like, subscribe. Yeah, talk about subscribing. I'm 39 subscribers off my target for Easter, for 1,500 subscribers. 39, folks. Come on. I'll be over the moon if I reach 1,500 by Sunday. Absolutely over the moon. Anyway, I don't, so that's my goal. 1,500 subscribers by Sunday. I find 80% of my subscribers are not, who are viewing, 80% are not subscribed, so come on, subscribe, please. Anyway, I'm going to leave it now. Hit the notification bell and upload more videos. Please share, tell your friends. All comments I answer, good and bad. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, really brilliant. Thanks very much. Bye, see you soon, bye.